Good morning, all. So, all of you are ready with revision registers? Yes? Okay. So, it's our English class, and I'm going to give you English literature revision today. Okay? So, put heading on a fresh page English literature unit test revision. English literature unit test revision. Put this heading English literature unit test revision and put today's date also. Done? Okay. Now, first question. First question, word meanings. Word meaning. Vidhi, how many pages you are turning? What are you doing, Vidhi? मम्मी दरवाजा खोल दो जरा अंदर वो नहीं आ रहा है नेटवर्क चुपचाप खोलना एकदम yes so first question is word meaning first point fascinated first word is fascinated first word fascinated second word dazzled dazzled spelling you all know dazzled dazzled मम्मी दरवाजा नहीं खोला कमरे का नेटवर्क नहीं आ रहा है कमरे में हम क्लास ले third word third word is tethered 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 number 4 assortment number 4 assortment 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 next word is remedied 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 which spelling remedied then next is substitution 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 the next word is evil intent evil intent Evil, intent. Evil, evil. Intent, intent. Evil, intent. Evil, evil. Intent, intent. Next word is panic stricken. Panic, Panic, panic. Stricken, Stricken. Stricken. Panic stricken. Next, awestruck. 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 Hania, are you writing? Okay. Awestruck. 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 The next word is in pursuit of. In pursuit of. हम क्लास ले रहे हैं, फोन मम्मी का यहाँ है, वो छत पे हैं. In pursuit of. In pursuit of. I am telling beta, I am repeating. In pursuit of. INN is a separate word. Pursue, P-U-R-S-U-I-T. P-U-R-S-U-I-T. Pursue. This is another word. And then off, O-F, off. In pursuit of. Now is it clear? No. Now second question. Question number 2. First question is word meanings. Question number 2. Give the correct answers. Give the correct answers. Give the correct answers. Number 1. A zoo is all about. A zoo is all about collecting animals. A zoo is all about collecting animals. Who said these words? A zoo is all about collecting animals. Who said these words? Written. A zoo is all about collecting animals. Who said these words? Second, the confusion in the zoo. The confusion in the zoo was started by dash. The confusion in the zoo was started by dash. Manvi, your mic is on. Mute. Yes. The confusion in the zoo. What? I am repeating, don't worry. The confusion in the zoo was started by dash. Third, the donkey was kept in the zoo as the donkey was kept in the zoo as dash. The donkey was kept in the zoo as dash. Next, write little faster, children. The parrot was special. The donkey was kept in the zoo as dash. Now, next point. The parrot was special. The parrot was special as it can say. The parrot was special as it can say dash. The parrot was special as it can say dash. Next, who was appointed as the head keeper? Who was appointed as the head keeper? This is point number 5. Who was appointed as the head keeper? Who was appointed as the head keeper? Point number 6. Dash was the owner of the parrot. Dash was the owner of the parrot. Dash was the owner of the parrot. Dash was the owner, 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 owner of the parrot. Next point. Now, point number 7. Open double inverted comma. Open double inverted comma. The parrot's gone. The parrots, apostrophe S is there in parrots. The parrot's gone. The parrot's gone. Close double inverted comma. Who said these words? Who said these words? Huda, are you writing? Then why your camera is off, beta? I want to see everybody writing. Make sure your camera is on. All of you. On it, Huda. Huda. Let it be on only. I can see the wall. I can't see you. Wall is visible. You are not visible. Okay, now better. Good. All right. So the parrot's gone. Who said these words? Now the last point. Which was the first creature? Which was the first creature? Arnav, do I have to repeat the same thing again and again? I said I want all cameras on. Shirish, see, I don't have a habit of repeating instructions. Okay. Whether you are in a sleepy mode, or you are not in dress, or your hair are or hodgepodge shabby, that means you just woke up 5 minutes before 9 and just joined the class. Yes, Shirish. है ना? Not ready yet or for the class. From tomorrow, I want everybody properly dressed up in school dress. Okay, you can wear blazers, you can wear sweaters, you can wear zippers, whatever you want to wear, you can wear, but you should be in school dress. Okay, high necks, you can wear high necks. Right? Okay, the last point of English literature revision is which was the first creature? Creature, creature. Creature selected for the zoo. Which was the first creature selected for the zoo? All right. So this is your English literature revision. This you have to complete in your revision registers for unit test. Okay.